So a little bit about today's oracles. You might say that we already have data, but not quite in the way you may think, and not true to the principles of how blockchain was founded. Data powers almost all current and future use cases, but we pay almost no attention to its safety, decentralization, and usability. Let me give you an illustrative example of how today's oracles work. You have a chain where people have built dApps, but that chain doesn't provide data, so they need to get it from somewhere. Someone builds a system external to the chain. Let's call them, for argument's sake, BlockLink. They and their friends set up some computers that aren't part of the chain, nodes. Let's say there are 9 of these computers in total. And dApp1 needs the USD Korean won price. And dApp2 needs the Ethereum USD price. Well, out of those 9 nodes, 3 of those nodes might decide to provide a price feed for USD Korean won, and 4 might provide the price feed for USD ETH. Well, firstly, 9 off-chain entities is not many, and this is an example. But in reality, it's only 31, which is still very few. Secondly, what is securing these off-chain entities? In reality, that isn't clear. There's no well-defined economic security for almost all of the oracles out there. Who are these entities? Well, for many price feeds, that's also not clear. And lastly, if you're a developer, you're faced with the uncomfortable situation where a popular price feed may have many contributors, but the price feed you need may have very few. In today's oracles, across the 2 most popular oracles, Chainlink and Pyth, the worst supported oracle has only 5 data providers. And this unnecessarily complicates the development experience, limits experimentation, and massively reduces the probability that we will uncover future use cases that are valuable to us as an industry.